Please don't make me do Glenn. I don't want to do it. Yes, you do, Precious. You do. No, I don't, please. I can't bear to bring him out again.
Wait a minute. I'ma need a sentimental man or woman to pump me up. Feeling fussy walking in my Balenciagas, trying to bring out the fabulous.
It's your boat. It's a nice boat.
Looks. Do you want it back?
I'm not supposed to take stuff from strangers.
Well,
Ugly bastard. Good. You have a life, which I'm going to take unless the Flash gives me what I need.
Oh, yes, I had the wolf, didn't I? Fine, this Panda. Greetings, Panda. At last we meet. Greetings, Panda. At last we meet.
Alish, this is Soundwave reporting. I have detected Autobots in the vicinity.